All right, Dave, good lesson today, first lesson ever. I'm going to go over some of the things that we talked about today. So when we grip the club, we're going to grip it right at the base of the fingers on the left hand like that. Never here, never in the palm, right where the fingers meet the hand. Wrap the hand around it. You interlock your fingers, very good. On the right side of it, I'm going to grip the club just like that, wrap my hand around it, and the grip looks like this from face on. This is called a strong grip. So when I look down at my grip, I can see the first two knuckles on my left hand, my left thumb's off to the side, the right hand side of the club. I'm going to close my right hand on my left thumb. It's high on my left thumb, way up here on this knuckle. And my right thumb is on the left hand side of the club like that. Your setup looks very good. You're bent at the knees, you're bent from the waist, your arms hanging down, all looks very good. You might be just a little too far away from it. Like if I know I'm too far away. Sometimes you look a little stretched, but we just brought you in just a little bit so your arms are hanging down from your shoulders and they're a little stretched out. You look very good there. In the beginning, you really folded your arms up and you kind of moved off the ball this way. We saw it on the video. You kind of look like this, and then you look like this a little bit, hanging back on this right foot. So we worked on today is turning our shoulders and staying centered, keeping our body centered. Like if I turn around this shaft, none of my body went that way. This will help us make solid contact with the ball. We want to keep our arms as extended as we can like this, as best you can, and then when you swing, we want you to finish on your right toe like that. So from this view, it looks like that. Finishing on your right toe like that. So that's the core base foundation of the swing. Once we build the base, like you're pouring concrete walls to a house, that's what we did today. We're pouring the concrete walls and the foundation of this house. And as you keep coming back and as you progress, we'll start adding more detail to this thing. And we got to build. So we got to build. We got to learn how to add and subtract before we multiply and divide. So we're going to build this foundation. And you already hit some straighter shots. We saw some ones that went left. All right, but that's coming from, you know, the breakdown of your wrist and arms. It changes the face. But we'll get to that when we start working on punch shots. We keep developing. So very good. Everything we're doing with the iron, you're going to do with the driver or the fairway wood or the hybrid. It's all the same swing, slightly different little rule changes, but same motion. Very good.